Are you worried about saggy skin, uneven tone of your skin, enlarged pores, saggy skin, fine wrinkles, deeper wrinkles? Now we have exciting news for you. You can have Morpheus8 to address all these issues. Morpheus8 is a new machine or a device that works through radio frequency as well as microneedling, delivering energy in order to stimulate collagen and elastin of your skin. Depending on the area, and this is why we are proud to say we are all qualified and we have the expertise to know which size and which energy level to use for each area of your concerns. We can target areas such as the jowls, the neck, the under eye area, the eyebrow area, your forehead, anywhere you might have issues with enlarged pores, uneven skin, saggy skin, fine lines and wrinkles, texture of the skin, because Morpheus8 addresses all these issues at once, and also we can work on larger areas of the face.